We offer family law services. That includes divorce, child custody, adoption, modifications, child support, and any post-judgment litigation. So many of our clients, they are going through one of the hardest times in their life. Divorce is not just a legal transaction. It is actually a identity crisis for many people, and that's why it becomes so painful and so hard. It's very important for us as a law firm, as professionals, that we understand where our clients are coming from emotionally and how much their sense of security has been shaken. So what we have created here at Atlanta Divorce Law Group is not just a law firm that gives you divorce decree, but hopefully a law firm that understands everything else going on in your life and spends time with you, understanding where you're coming from and what is your vision for the future. And that is really what our vision and mission here is, to turn our clients' most painful moment in their life to their most powerful one.